Hi, I'm just here to show you how to put the LED turn signal lights on the 10th gen Civics. There really isn't any information um, out there of how to actually hook it up. A lot of people, kind of just show you how the light functions and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of basically how to do it. So basically, you come to the fuse box and you take out this fuse right here. So I'll just show you guys real quick. Now I hooked it up to this one right here and it didn't work. So you have to hook it up to this. I guess this is a positive. So I just basically stuck the wire down in here and then put the fuse back in and it works perfectly. You hook the red wire up to there and then the white wire, I guess that's an optional feature. You hook that to the positive of your headlight. And then the negative also, you just ground it to something. So I just grounded it to right here. To get the turn signal feature, all you have to do is hook up the yellow wire to the positive of your turn signal light. So you just hook up this wire to the positive of the turn signal light. And basically that's about it. The only little trouble I kind of ran into was this turn signal wire for the other side is a little short. So you might need to grab some wire so you can extend it to the other side to plug it into the positive side of the turn signal light. But other than that, it works. Let me kind of show you what it looks like. So this is with just the lights on by itself. You see the LED and the other light is on, same as this one. The headlights are on right now. I just got them on. That's what it looks like with the turn signal. And that's about it. So it's basically pretty simple. I found the instructions on how to hook it up online, but it took me a little while just because I had to run some extra wire, and I made sure I protected this wire because you got to kind of run it up underneath this panel right here. So just to protect it from over time, it doesn't cut through the wire and short anything out. So other than that, it was pretty good, straightforward install. So just wanted to show you guys basically how to hook these up. Again, this is for the 10th gen Civics, the LED sequential front headlights.